Hey everybody, Doug Wazura here, and I am with my new friend King Billy. And King Billy is the lead horse on the 1916 #1 special carousel, built right here in North Tonawanda, New York. Today the Valu Crew had the opportunity to come out and help them refresh one of their spaces using our brand new Valspar Integrity paint. Let's show you how the project went. Yeah, this factory is incredible. All of these horses that you see on this carousel were hand-built, hand-painted way back in 1916.
We preserve the history here, but we also now do a lot more outreach and programming regarding kind of STEM-related subjects, how carousels work, how the machinery here functioned. So that kind of shows the history of the companies that came from North Tonawanda. We wouldn't be able to exist without community involvement. We have a great group of volunteers that come in and operate the rides, do maintenance when they need to, and we're really thankful that Valu is taking the time to help us as well.